If you notice when you enter the Google app or scroll to the last part of the screen on the left in the main interface in Android, a content feed appears, which is called Google Discover. If you want to learn how to use it, these are the steps. You can enter it from the Google widget on your mobile desktop by clicking on the G that comes out to the left of the search field. Note that this widget usually comes pre-configured on most devices. So you have the option to follow this method much easier than by opening the application or creating a shortcut to it on your mobile's desktop. The first thing that will appear when you enter the Discover section of Google, which is what Google Discover is called in Spanish, is the weather information based on your location. In the options that you are deployed are to hide the news, change units or not show this information again. You would like to personalize it, don't think about it. There is also an option to personalize with which you can disable notifications about time. We all know your search habits aren't always gonna be the ones you like. That's why the first time you open it, Google Discover might have some news about things you don't like. Click on the three-dot icon on the right of each tab, and choose from the drop-down menu the option of I'm not interested in Xiaomi, or Google, or Donald Trump. When you press this button, you will see a small menu with the more and less options. If you choose more, Google Discover will show you more cards like that with the chosen theme, and if you choose less it will show you less. If you want to delete news that does not interest you, do this. To do this, go to the More section in the lower options bar and click on the Customize Discover option. You will enter a part of the screen where it will automatically open. Go to the More section below and click on the Customize Discover option. You will select on the screen where automatically all your topics of interest must have been added.